Welcome to our tutorial on using ChatGPT as your personal productivity system. By the end of this video, you'll see how easy it is to streamline your day and take control of your tasks. Let's dive in. First, let's get started with a simple prompt you can try right now. Open ChatGPT and type, "Create a daily task list for me for tomorrow, including work, exercise, and personal tasks." Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT generates a tailored list just for you. This is a quick win that sets the tone for how you can use ChatGPT in your daily life. Ready to learn more? Let's go. Are you feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Do you struggle with staying organized or managing your time effectively? ChatGPT can help. It's the perfect tool for busy individuals, students, freelancers, and anyone looking to boost their productivity. By leveraging its capabilities, you can organize your tasks, set reminders, brainstorm ideas, and even prioritize your goals, all within one powerful AI tool. In this video, I'll walk you through how to implement ChatGPT in your daily routine to enhance your workflow. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or trying to find a better way to manage your time, ChatGPT is here for you. Let's start with creating a task list. Open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. Generate a task list for the next 3 days, including my work assignments, exercise routines, and personal errands. This will give you a structured overview of what you need to accomplish. You can customize the prompt to your liking and add specific deadlines or priorities. For example, what tasks should I prioritize today? You'll get a detailed breakdown that helps you stay focused. A common mistake is not being specific enough. If you don't give ChatGPT enough context, the output may not match your needs. To fix this, always include the context of your tasks and any deadlines. Next, let's talk about setting reminders. You can ask ChatGPT to help you remember important tasks or meetings. Type the prompt, "Remind me of my important deadlines and meetings this week." ChatGPT can help summarize that for you. It's also helpful to use calendar integrations if you have them. However, keep in mind that while ChatGPT can assist with reminders, you will need to manage them in your calendar app, since ChatGPT doesn't have built-in reminder capabilities. Make sure to check your calendar regularly to stay on top of your tasks. Now let's use ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas. Suppose you're working on a project and need some creative input. Type, "Give me 5 ideas for improving team collaboration in my workplace." ChatGPT will generate relevant suggestions that you can refine and apply. It's a great way to get the creative juices flowing. Just remember, if you receive outputs that are too generic, refine your prompt further. Instead of asking for general ideas, specify your workplace context and the challenges you face. This specificity helps ChatGPT generate more tailored responses. Now that you have the basics down, here are some power tips to elevate your ChatGPT experience. Firstly, use formatting prompts to enhance clarity. For instance, asking, "Can you provide this list in bullet points?" can lead to cleaner organization. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different styles of prompts. For instance, you might try asking ChatGPT to respond as if it's a productivity coach. Moreover, consider saving your most productive prompts for easy access later. You can create a document with your go-to prompts to quickly get started each time you log in. To recap, using ChatGPT as your personal productivity system can transform the way you manage tasks and workflows. We covered how to create task lists, set reminders, and brainstorm ideas effectively. Remember, specificity is key. The clearer and more detailed your prompts, the better the responses you'll receive. Now that you're equipped with these tools, take the next step and implement ChatGPT into your daily routine. Try out the prompts we discussed and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for joining me today.